Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new. I am excited to finally share a morning routine video. It's only taken me several years on YouTube to do this, but I know in the entrepreneurial community there's a lot of debate between like, should you be an early riser? Should you get dressed every day? Should you work from your couch? All of that good stuff. So I wanted to address some of those things in this very realistic morning routine. It's real, y'all. So let's hop in to my morning routine as a work from home entrepreneur. So I try to wake up between 6:30 and 8:30. That's a bit of a window, but it really does depend on what I have going on that day. You know, what I have that went on the night before. Sometimes I'll do mastermind calls that go until 9, so I give myself flexibility to sleep in a little bit later on those days. Sometimes I have projects due at 10 a.m., so I wake up at 6:30 or even 5:30 sometimes. It really depends, but generally speaking, my average is probably around 7:38. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I check my phone first thing in the morning while I'm still in bed. It's a bad habit that I probably should break, but I don't answer anything when I check my email or check my phone. I generally just check for anything that came in that might be urgent, you know, a text message from a family member or client or something like that. So from there, I put on some comfy clothes to sort of start my day. I generally like put on leggings or sweatpants or a onesie, you know, pajamas, whatever I really feel like just kind of bumming around in. In this case today, it's just a pair of leggings, some slippers, and a hoodie. And then I head out to the kitchen. Well, first I use the bathroom, brush my teeth, obviously, but you guys don't need to see that. That's really boring. So I head out into the kitchen and I make myself a smoothie. So I've been on like the smoothie thing for, I don't know, it's been since this summer, I think. So I've been doing it for a while and I love it. I could never find a breakfast that like worked for me. I'm not a big eater in the morning. I am a big eater in general. Like I love dinner so much, but for some reason I just don't really have a huge appetite in the morning, but I know I need to eat. And then I also know I need to hydrate and all this stuff. So smoothies have been doing it for me. This is actually a pretty bad example this day of what I eat in a smoothie. It's a pretty boring smoothie, but I like to have some kale in there. So I'll get frozen kale, kind of mix some berries. And that's what I'm showing here. I buy these little bags from Whole Foods. You can also buy them cheaper at like Target or Meijer or something like that. But yeah, it has kale, some strawberries, things like that. But I also usually put in some avocado and some blueberries and whatever else I have on hand, maybe some like maca powder or something like that. And then I always do protein powder. This is a vegan vanilla protein powder. I am vegetarian, so I like to get in some additional protein and a little bit of like apple juice or orange juice, depending on my mood, and then just a little bit of water. And I blend that up and it is so good. And then while I'm drinking my smoothie, I will sit and just kind of go through my emails, my calendar. Again, I'm not really responding to things during this time. I'm just sort of like planning out, mapping out my day, getting a feel for what I have going on. And that only takes me like a few minutes. I usually am done with my smoothie in like 5-10 minutes. So from there, I like to really make an effort to move throughout the day. Working from home, working for yourself, it can be really tough as far as movement and physical activity goes. So I try to really challenge myself, especially in these colder months, to get out of my house at least once during the day and take a walk. So for today, what I did is I just went and got my mail and kind of walked around my community. Probably ended up being like half a mile walk total, but you know, other days I'll take a longer walk or I'll drive somewhere and then go walk or whatever. But I do really try to make sure to do that. Once I get home, I check out my package, if I got a package, whatever, and then I make my cup of coffee. So I have a Keurig. We use the reusable pods. I'm gonna be honest though, sometimes I use the regular pods. I try really hard to use the reusable ones, but it just doesn't taste as good. I also have this fancy coffee maker, but the pour over kind of thing, but I don't like how that tastes either. It's a challenge, I know, but I am really trying hard to at least use the reusable K-cups. And then from there is when I really start my like work day. So I, first and foremost, put on a pair of blue light blocking glasses. These ones are from the brand Movement, and they're called their Everscroll glasses, which I really, really love. Movement actually sent me these glasses to try out, but I have been loving them. They're actually my favorite pair of blue light glasses lately because one, they're super stylish. They're also really durable. I know a lot of the blue light glasses that I've purchased, you know, on other websites before have just felt really cheap and almost like throwaway glasses, but these feel like a real pair of glasses. So I really love that. They're very durable. They're really fun and stylish. They're actually a light green tint, which I think is so fun and kind of funky and cool. But anyway, it's really important to protect your eyes if you're gonna be staring at a computer screen. So you can actually get a little discount from Movement by going to the link in my description box using my code. It's Movement, so mvmt.cc/Latasha-James. I think it's really important for any entrepreneur to constantly educate themselves. Nobody is forcing you to. You don't have required like assessments and things like that like I did in corporate. So I make sure to schedule this into every day. So in this example, I'm actually working on a course from HubSpot. I love HubSpot Academy. They're free courses. And this one is on content marketing. I already have like their inbound certification and some other things, but I'm working on the content marketing one. So I just do like a lesson or two every morning. I also hopped on a Hootsuite webinar during kind of lunchtime. So I'm always scheduling in things like that. Maybe it's reading a book, reading an ebook, taking a course, you know, listening to an audiobook or a podcast or something. I always like to do like 20-30 minutes of that a day at least. Okay, next, so I actually usually do my like full shower and skincare routine at night. So I really don't do a huge ordeal for this, but I do usually hop in the shower like really quick just because I went outside and like slept and everything. But I don't like take forever in there. I like hop in and hop out kind of thing. And then for my skincare, I really just work with my skin's kind of natural oils in the mornings. I do use a moisturizer and an eye cream. Those are the two things that I use in the morning, but not like a huge serum, cleanser. I don't wash my face in the morning. Actually, I just like rinse it off in the shower. So nothing too exciting to see there. And then I head into my bedroom and get dressed. I'm just gonna put on this really comfy sweatshirt that I have. This is from H&M. I love it. It's kind of my go-to lately. I'm obsessed with it. I love the color. It's really neutral. I think it's really cute and it's a little bit oversized on me. Anyway, I like it because it is perfect for wearing leggings with, but because I do work from home, sometimes things happen, you know, last minute meetings come up, or I'll just want to leave my house last minute. So I can also wear this top with a pair of jeans, like just quickly swap out the jeans and sort of dress it up a little bit. Another thing that I really like to add to my outfit to make it look just a little bit more polished, even for something casual like this, is a watch. So this watch is also from Movement. They have incredible, incredible timepieces. They're so stunning and just really, like I said, make you look a little bit more like a professional. You can be wearing jeans and a t-shirt and you wear a watch. I have it on today too, and it just looks, you know, it just makes you look so much more like a boss. And I just love this one. It's this beautiful rose gold color, so it matches perfectly with one of my everyday rings that I wear, and it can really just jazz up an outfit. I wanted to get the rose gold because I wear a lot of black, but I've also been trying to wear a lot of color, and like even for an outfit like this, I think it looks so nice, but also for the black or for the neutral, it looks really nice too. So Movement is a really cool brand. It was actually started by two guys who were in college. They wanted to find affordable watches that still maintain that, you know, sophistication and that level of chic that they were looking for. And so they decided to do it on their own. So I just really love their founder story in general. And like I said, they have amazing pieces from the Everscroll glasses to the watches, and they even have jewelry and fun things like that. So again, you can use my link to get a discount on these pieces or any piece on their website. It's Movement, mvmt.cc/Latasha-James. They'll be linked in the description box. Not sponsored, but they did send me these pieces and I really have been loving them. So from there, I head over to my desk/vanity and I get my makeup on. And makeup is like, I've been pretty minimal with my makeup lately. I'm gonna leave everything that I used in the description box, like the old days if you've been following me for a really long time, but nothing too out of the ordinary. I do really love this IT Cosmetics CC cream. I've been using that for years now. It's my daily foundation, and yeah, I just do like a neutral eye, a neutral lip. I don't put on makeup every day either. I probably put on makeup 2 days out of 5, work days. Generally speaking, it's days when I'm gonna be on camera or when I do have an out of the home meeting. If I just have a virtual meeting or if I'm just working independently, I generally don't put on any makeup at all to let my skin breathe and just to feel confident about myself and get to know my naked face. I think that's really important as well. So that's it. From there, I just head into my home office and start working. My days can look very different. Some days I'm heading out of the house. Some days I'm sitting in front of a camera to film. Some days I'm just sitting on my computer typing away all day. I like to sit at my office, like at my desk, but sometimes I'll work on the couch, honestly. If I'm just gonna be like editing all day, I'll sit on my couch and be cozy and comfy. Really just depends. I do have kind of an average day in the life of a social media manager, which I'll link down below, but let me know if you guys want an update or if you would like to see an evening routine or what you would like to see. So that's it. That's my morning routine as a full-time entrepreneur. Please leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And again, go check out Movement. They have some great pieces. I got a great discount code for you down below, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.